Mwanchumurulia Ndizi TV na kwariganiri andonsi aso totengerete nigo yaragire CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabono mugaso anaramangana AMAYIA korwa Ndizi TV gwetera asenchera yobwenge chitariki 12 omotienyi no oyokane omwaka wechirubere nemerongo ebere nainye asego ikaranso ike mbingo manyinga kyabera gwate korwa kete CHINSA chamambi gwikera bono mugaso litera ngoro kwa job MAANGI na otoko batuko bwaterna nere linde kone kichibiche chibigo na Yogi abera wekera asenchera yobwekera nunigakoro kwa Abigael Nyanchama yokone kinga nkonyorore amangana ya wetera asenchera yomonwa weimanyira nigakoro kwa Lydia Mose nkora nande asikretari tambe mbeko bamanya na kyabera gwata korwa kete CHINSA chamambi wekera bono mugaso. Mwanjo muriro Ndizi TV amaje nigatwe cyakorwa ase county ya Nyamira ase kigambero kerikia Nyamira ase bono iga nigo ekina kigendrete gotegererwa igoro yogoteneni gwa kugotiani gwa komokonyi wo mugavana omochore Elijah Obebo oyubete gagochorwa ne bunge area e county ya Kisii abete gagochorwa no mugavana we county ya Kisii nabo yogwetigwa ne bunge area e county ya Kisii ase bono iga nigo egati ya abanachi ebina bose abaegereria berichiko betokorokanga aba wakili bagendrete kwe egerera chinsemo au ase omonachi ebina Winfrida Okwanyi aganyire bose nachikorwa okonachi igoro yogochorwa kuria kwa Elijah Obebo bose nachikotianigwa bose gotianigwa ase lichuko elibarachi kobeka.
Did you inform your former lawyers that you had changed?
Yeah, the letter I wrote was to be sacked upon them.
Make an observation.
Yes.
My dear, you realize that that's not the petitioner.
It's not the petition?
No. If you look at your file, the petitioner is Mayurura. It's not Mayurura.
My right friend is looking from the different documents, which is a good order that has been typed by the judiciary. Perhaps you can discount and grant that error to the judiciary. Otherwise, what we have is Jared Mayura Attorney, the certificate.
Togoska bosio goika totigarete ime county Nyamira nigo omo senator we county area Nyamira Okongo omugeni aberega komochigwa no mugavana we county Nyamira Amoski Muminyaribo ase omugavana we county eyo akotebanga nigo omo senator oyo tarakora emerimo buna ebwendrate nigo akomomochia anene mono ase chinkwana aberega kubwatoka ase chinsemo chemeyega ya matanga na boigo chikanisa au asomo senator oyo aberega kotebanga nigo e county Nyamira ebwato bokurumi bwekerengo kigoro engana omugavana we county Nyamira aberega gukananga nigo bagendera gukora emirimo yabo asenchera yobwekira nubono nigo abaga gusaba ebyombe biri bikokora obutuki nabo igo onde bwensi ole nechitangutangu igoro yenchera chibesigenda tutumikwa ime county Nyamira gwikirana aroro asengenjo nigo bali no busibore bokwene kinga nkona nabale oroboti ronde ruwensi igoro yenchera babere bagotumika chibesa asikolende abaga gusaba omo senator oyukwene kinga ngosikale serikali ye county Nyamira nabo igokora obokoreri bwaye buna abarayibande abagenda tegusira e county area ya Nyamira.
You cannot win by stepping on another person. Wewe kuja na mpango yako uzia wananchi. Kwa hivyo simuogopi hata kidogo. Simuogopi kamwe. I'm not here to rate a senator, but I think he has done poorly. Senator has never signed a fist has spoken in my office, meaning he has never come. Number two, since he was elected first time, last term, he has never come to county assembly because there is a seat always for senator to give guidance. He has never come. He times some funerals where other leaders are not in, he sneaks in and the bed receives lies there. Even in this report, there is no single place where they've said so much money in Nyamira cannot be traced. It's only the departments they are questioning. The people they called, it was a sample. Your family can welcome. If you can increase accountability across the country, it's welcome.
Togoskabusio ase orobo chiro gwichani nigo enka eyemo yumusacha urine miaka emerongo etatu ase ensemo eriara rieda agendrache kurera obwene bwabo yemaiga yumusacho yu ore omwamato bokoraswa chingaki arenge gutambuka ase rinanirire ase nsemeyo asakagire koraswa na abo bisabe kyombekeria gekurenda CHINSA na manani nabo igo chingiti choro sana gya KWS ase otebanga nigo abete gakoraswa no nyanga tabwate mamocho ande onsi ase bono babiri bagusaba obutuki bwime gokorwa na boigo enka eyugwakanwa ase ngencho nigo omusacho yo arenge oyo bwengencho naende orenge kurigeria abana baye ase bono ogusira kwaye bono kwabiri gotigali bagali nene ase enka eyo
anza kutupatupa risasi ovyo ovyo. Sasa watu wa kuinda pia alikuwa hapo. Sasa mimi nashangaa sasa wale nani eva umeenda kuinda ama umeenda kwa kazi. Kufika hapo mimi sijui chochote, atumeenda kwa kuinda ama umeenda kwa kazi, kwa maana mimi najua umependa kazi yake peke yake.
I'm appealing to the KWS like what is normal is that when they have done it illegally, they have to compensate. You have seen the family, this young family here. And this young home, he set up this home recently. There is obviously a burden that needs to be carried. And the truth should be found. The KWS should do what is required. Compensation is needed here.
Togoskabusio ase ngana erengete umugiro w'abanyagitari ngana yabereko gendera asegeka gya emeti emotienyi oyo moiganigo abono abanyagitari babiri bakogendera n'umugiro obono nyanga babiri bakogosererwa negati y'ekiserekali cy'iki county imeyense cyo Kenya anemono ime county area Kakamega maiga y'umugavana we county yuvana Nades Baraza koralianga nigo arakigotenenia abakoli emerimo korwa asegeta kelia kyobo chenu bali bagendera teno mugiro bono nigo ensemo y'abanyagitari babakogendera no mugiro no nyanga babete bakogosererwa bayirane asemere mu gucakira litukolera asingana yabiri kwirera abantu abange bali bakurigia obokoleri kurwa asenyagitari kiriya cyeserekali gocandika ase enchera etali engia.
The position of Council of Governors is also the same, that doctors must put the lives of our patients first. They resume as we deal with their issues. Issues of delayed salary, some of them are already being addressed. They're no longer issues as at last month. And therefore, as the governor of this county, I want to ask all the striking doctors that tomorrow by 8 a.m., I want all of you to resume your duties. And any doctor who will not be at their workstation by 8 a.m., we shall not have any excuse other than releasing them.
Togosika bosionigo ekiombe liye kwegerera obwene bw'abarimu b'ekisukuru kya secondary geri ya Kupet bono kyabeire egosaba ekiombe liye kulikia abarimu gya TSC kwene kinga ngokini bale abarimu emerongo etato ebirogo abo babeire ebagotinena ase kerengekemo ase kakirige tambe naboigo nigo baba gosaba ekiombe liye kulika abarimu emero kiribu emerongo ebere elinda kwene kinga ngo icho libale amabagalia alemete boigo nigo ekiombekelia gya Kupet kaberige gosaba ebunge kobeka budget eisaine as gosira chiskuru na boigo kwene kinga secretary chisemi ngokini gwere na neteri gotigara ase ensemo ya bonoiga.
And the concerns were that there were some teachers who were alleged to have been promoted, yet they had died or they had exited the service through resignation or otherwise. These are issues which have been properly addressed in this retreat. And the audit of this has revealed that the promotional positions which existed among the 36,000 teachers was done above board because every county got equal share of the promotions which were available. And we have gone grade per grade, and we are satisfied that what was carried out in the promotion was within the means and the capacity of the commission to undertake.
Needs to ask, and they promised, they have already asked the parliament for them to employ the 20,000 teachers. It's a total of 4 billion Kenya shillings. And then we have the 26,000 teachers who are supposed to be confirmed to PNP. That will cost the tune of 7.8 billion Kenya shillings.
Togosika bosionigo ekiombekelie kumulekera emeshara ekwena nogochia ase abakoli emerimo balia be serikali kyabage kwaligania omusangerekano oyo bakoleta ababuatani anene mono ase babere bakumulekera igoro echinchira barabe bakwena kinga okeli bale chibesa chiri chikwena nogochia ase chinsemo anene mono ase emeshara y'abakoli emerimo egekaro kyabage wekiranwa no muwaziri otenenete abakoli emerimo be serikali Moses Kuria ase abaga kugikelia chibesa chinyinge chikoba chikotumikwa ase njira yogwakana abakoli emirimo be serikali na boigo amangana atari ayamagendro nigo bono abaga gusaba okubwaterana egati yababwatani no gusanga kwebirengerelyo linda kwene kinga chibesa nko tumikukire ase njira ere endonge anene mono ase abaga gusaba obutumikwe chibesa ase emiradi elio erengete amagendro imense yaito ya Kenya.
Our exchequer releases for purposes of recurring expenditure, including mandazis and salaries, starts at 75%. Very good, because we are now at 75% of the financial year. So that's mathematics matching. Our public investments, so-called development budget releases, as we speak, is 16%. So we'll see again how selfish we are. We have to do something. We have to do something on our salaries. We have to do something on our debt. And most important thing, we have to do something about the modernity of the government that we consume, saying that this is supporting the hustlers and all this kind of thing. No, it is just sustainable, and that is the truth. I am saying this in the context of what is happening, strikes, union activity. Please consider when you see somebody asking.
Togosika bosionigo ababuatani na boigo abaraiba basae abo bare inse yekiombekeria kya UD bono babere bagusaba ogosegeta na boigo ogosemigwa kwabamenyi imense ityo ya Kenya nemono abantu bali bakorwa se chinsemo chitera ikereka namangana yechisemi kwene kinga niko baba gusaba ekiombekeria kya UD gokora obosemia boigoro elinde kwene kinga ababwatani bonsi bekiombe kingo chigwa kabale obochori annemono chingaki echi ekiombe kyo kya yudio kerobe chigotwara obochori oborabo bochaka chingaki chiomo chienyi oyo okane
wetu na waanze kujisajili kwa hizo chama, kwa sababu ya kwamba maybe tuko na poor registration Samburu County, watu wajitokezi bwana, na ni kwa sababu hawapati ile habari vizuri. Tungeomba viongozi wetu waanze kufanya sensitization mapema, ili watu wetu ikifika mwezi wa 8, na hii nyingine inaanza hapa April, ikifika mwezi wa 8, kwa sababu Samburu ni mwezi wa 8, vijana wetu na akina mama waweze kujitokeza ili waweze kuchaguliwa kwa hizo nafasi ambazo za chama yetu.
Itakuwa mwezi wa 8. Naomba chairman ambaye ni ya UDA na viongozi wa UDA waweze kuweka mkakati ya kwamba mwezi wa 8 itakapofanywa election iwe huru na ikuwe uwazi, na waweze kuelimisha watu ndio ikuwe uwazi na huru. Yule atakayechakuliwa ni yule wamechakuliwa na wananchi. So waweze kufanya saizi mapema hiyo mkakada ikuwe wa
Mwantumuriria Ndizi TV orobo chirulengete kiombe keria kia UDA no tuchuikira omweli obwa mangana AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabono mugaso iretera nenkoro kwa job MAANGI no twabere tokobwatera na nere linde kwene kichibi chechi boigo na mariogi abere goikira asenchera jobo ikira nigakoro kwa Abigael Nyanchama wikira chinga kichinde na batakeire oburigereria obuya ime Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu obwo Gusii.